Hello, hello, hello. We have a gift that came to us. So don't go nowhere if you want to see what's in the box.
It's a wonderful day.
Hello, hello, hello. Wonder Woman Done Nails here with the birthday box from Lip Smacking Nails. As you all know, I know most of you have seen the box for the birthday gift for Lip Smacking Nails. We all purchased this with our own money. And as you see here, has a beautiful, okay. So as you see here, we have a beautiful little sticker that says thank you, have a nice day. And the top of the box has a beautiful lip smacking nail sticker with some lips, gorgeous lips, has happy mail has arrived, and we're full of sparkles in here, so we're gonna go ahead and see everything we have in here, and we are going to use what's in here to do our nails with some of the other items from around. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. And we have our little dental bits that we like to use on our tables because it's water absorbent. I mean, it doesn't let water or nail polish or anything go through. So we have a pink one and a purple one, which I think are the colors for lip smacking nails. You mainly see a lot of purple. Beautiful. And then here we have a little baggie with a little purple scrunchie. Oh, it's nice and tight. Cool. We have a beautiful nail. Very, very cool. And then inside it says, I'm allowed to rest. I'm not quitting. And then that other word, I'm not going to pronounce it. But this is so cool. Oh, look at how beautiful. Is this a purse charm or a key charm? I think we could use it either way. But look at how beautiful. You guys see that? Look at how gorgeous are those colors. And the rhinestone. This is so nice. And we have a nice little card in here which says, always remember, tough times don't last. Tough people do. And a lot of love and hugs. That is so cute. Ooh. Wait, I think, oh yeah, this one is the sticker one. Kind of like a tattoo. Oh, that's cool. That'll be good right there. Just gonna put them in here so I won't lose them. Some high chews. And when I opened the box to make sure everything was okay, I already ate one. I ate the mango one, and it was delicious. This one is the grape. Here we have green apple. Whoops. And then that one is the strawberry. Okay. I took a little moment. I opened my strawberry and I was eating it. So, sorry, my camera moved. Let's get you right. So I was opening this one here when my camera turned off. And it has a little, how you call these little things? Mainly you use them to clean glasses or your watch or your phone. I forgot what they were called. But in here we have a whole bunch of glitters. Let me get my... Oh, sorry guys. Forgot to get my little top in order to show you these gorgeous. Let me see, it opens this side. Yep, it opens on this side. Oops. Okay. Yeah, it was opening it the wrong way. It opens this way. So, look at all those rhinestones and lips. Look at these big ones. Those are cool. Different sizes of rhinestone in there. We are definitely using some of those. Make sure they don't fall on the side. There we go. Put them all in there, and that beautiful big lips right there. Oh, there it is. Put it right back in its little plastic. Let's put this here and this side over here. We have some beautiful glitters. Look at those glitters, guys. More beautiful lips. And I think those are hearts, am I correct? Not hearts, stars. Don't want to open it because I know it's going to spread. But it does have like stars or confetti in there. I think they're stars. Very beautiful. And then we have this gorgeous glitter. Very pretty. We have a flashlight. Very bright. We have some stickers. Let's take the box out of the way right now. There's nothing else in there. Some more lip stickers for lip smacking nails. Very nice. Look at that. Sure they needed these. When I was doing my birthday nails that are back here, this a blue one would have been nice and a black one. Those say kiss? Yeah, they do say kiss. Oh, that one says love. Oh, these would have been good for the birthday nail. But I got them now. I'll use them. So we're just going to put these to the side here. This I might use. Not sure about these if I will. Let's put you in here so I don't lose you. And here are, excuse me, the star of the show, kind to say, because our Capitana, Miss Alicia, partnered with La Catrina Nails from Texas to do these nail polishes. And as you see, here is our logo, Lip Smacking Nails with then La Catrina Nails from Texas. And it's in a beautiful purple sticker on here, very beautiful. And if you guys could see that, it says Primas por Vida Colección, which means like this is a collection from Cousins for Life. And then the name is, sorry, La Más Rifadas. Not sure what rifada means, but I'll figure it out. And look at that beautiful glitter there. I had tried them out and did this nail tip, but we are going to do them in our swatches so I can put them on here. So you guys you'll get to see to that. Here's the next nail polish. It is from that collection, Primas por Vidas. If I'm correct and I understand correctly, I think there are either 3 more out there or 2, not sure, that she's gonna be putting together to complete the set. And then this one is called La Chingona, and that is a beautiful kind of like purple pink, if I could say. Actually, should have had opened them. I don't know, it has like a tint of purple for me. I'm not sure. And then we have this gorgeous purple, and it is a cat eye. And La Catrina's nail polish are all TPO free and HEMA free. This one is called La Mera Bandita. And look at that. Actually, let me get my magnet here. Look at that, guys. Look at how gorgeous that. Oops, sorry, I'm far away. And I just touched the... Come closer so you guys can see it. Better focus, there we go. There we go, now you guys can see it. But it is a gorgeous color. That's the one we are probably mostly going to be using. But right now we are going to do these swatches for each and one of them. Here's this color, the cat eye color on this nail tip. And then we have, which one is this one called? La Chingona. It does have a pink to it, but I don't know, I see like a purple in it too. Which is not bad. But we are going to do these nail tips here. Put it on my faithful finger. And this one will be a nail polish that probably, if you want it darker, you will have to build up with several swatches. I definitely like the see-through. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Even with just one, it looks gorgeous. And I'll leave that there because we gotta do another. Well, I have to use that, but I could start polishing it, putting the polish on. And that one goes for that one. Let me see what quick color I have up here. So I can use. I don't have a color up here. No, I think that'll cover it. Let's just leave it like that. so we can see all the glitter on it. Look at the shifting of the color. I'm done with this one here. Yeah, I did. I'm just gonna put this here, then put this one in there. And we're gonna go ahead and do one more on this one. Do a second coat on it. Look at that. Me, I like the second coat. I mean the first coat, but it still looks transparent with the second coat, which I do like. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Just gonna put it here to the side so I could go ahead and do this one. It looks chunky, but it's very soft consistency. You could either choose to do one coat, or you could build it up and do a second coat. But either way, it looks gorgeous. Let me go ahead and clean this out a little bit here. There we go. It looks gorgeous. It's a very nice color. Just gonna put it right here to the side. I hope these fit on here. So if it fits, I don't know if it fits. There we go. And even though I did only one coat on this one, but it's okay for me. We're gonna go ahead and put this one in the lamp. For its 60 seconds, and we will be right back. And we put that one in the lamp for 60 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and put this one in the lamp now. And we shall be right back. And I just touched it, you see that? So let me go ahead and fix it here. And I'm going to put this in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, I am back. I did do one color on my nails. I didn't show you the bottle because it's a new bottle. I still haven't done the video for it, so you'll see it when I do the video. But let me show you something real cool. Just wait a couple of seconds. And look at that color right there. I still haven't put a top coat on it, but you guys see that? From this to this, with the heat of the lamp. And it's starting to clear up already. So when you are warm, color turns purple. When it starts cooling off, you start getting it back to, what is that, like a milky white, which I love. And at the same time waiting for my girl at Lynn_81 to start in a couple of minutes. So I might have to be 2-piece because I do want to do that rose. But right now, let's go ahead and put this one on. And I want to use this. And I have this new magnet too that I want to use. So you do one finger that one and one finger this way. Let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and, yep. Oh, there she goes. I'm just going to put this nail polish on, cure it, and I shall be back later once the video ends. So I'll show you back in a little bit. See you back in a little. Okay guys, I kind of forgot and did these two nails with this cat eye. I did do it with the round, so this is what you're gonna see right there. And then now I'm just magnetizing. I forgot to show you doing this finger, which I used this magnet here. I'm just magnetizing now the nail, bringing out all the particles, if you guys could see that. And on this side, how gorgeous that is. But now we're just gonna put it here. And I don't know, kind of lifting it up from the bottom, which I wanted it the other way. But we're gonna go ahead and use that. That's not bad. Kind of put it this way. Kind of demagnetize my particles. So let's bring them back out. There we go. Brought back out. Let's try this again. My color is kind of moving here into my cuticle, so we need to clean that out. Let me see what we got here. Might do that over. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one more time. Let's use this one again. Not getting like anything, I don't know. Kind of just got pushed like to this side. Let's put it in here. Let's see. Get it in here. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the lamp. And I shall be back.
Hi guys, sorry about that. I didn't realize my microphone had died, so I had to put it to charge. I don't remember what I was saying at this point, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do some stamping on the nails. I did go ahead and do my left hand, as you see there. I'm showing the roses. I did them in black. I put a little lip glitter. I put that glitter on top of the roses and then top coated with the goi, if that's the way it's pronounced. I do apologize. I've been liking that top coat real good. So then on this one, index finger or the middle finger, I have put these little lips, but I didn't like it, but I still left it. And then in my thumb, as you saw, I put one charm of a lip and then the rest a little I don't know how you call those little lips, paper little lips, I don't know. But I'm showing you here, I'm putting on the non-stick matte chrome resistant on my other hand so I could do the stamping of the flower. I'm gonna go ahead and let you see that and you'll hear some music. I just came back in to say in this part here I did do that flower, but when I put it on my index finger I didn't like the way it looked because it looked a little bit bigger than the ones on my right hand. And just to apologize, at the beginning I said I did my left hand, but it wasn't my left hand, it was my right hand that I had completed off camera. But with this one, as you see, I put the flower on, but it didn't look right to me, not the same as the other, as my right hand. So you'll see in a little bit I go ahead and take it off, and then I find another plate that had another rose, which is the same rose that my right hand has. And here, while I was doing the flower on the thumb, I noticed it was a little to the side and I wasn't gonna change it, but as you see, when I start to put in the chrome, I realized I did not put it in the UVL lamp to cure, so I ended up having to wipe it off and redo it again. So you'll see that in a moment. In this part, I'm looking at my chrome in the top because I thought I had a little topper that covers that, but when I opened it, I didn't see it, so I was kind of looking for it, but maybe it didn't come with it and I just forgot. And in this part here, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Beetles glitter top coat and just add a little bit of glitter to the roses. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and then do the top coat on the nails. And here I am showing you the final results of my nails. I hope you like them. Please let me know which one did you like better, the one with the chrome or just the regular stamping black polish on the rose. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end. I do appreciate it. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. And here is the items that came in the birthday box for Lip Smacking Nails. Please go ahead and give them a like. Go look for the site. I'll leave the site in the description so you guys can take a look at their videos. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate all your likes, your comments. And thank you. I completely forgot what I was saying. Thank you so much. You guys have a good night, or good day, or good morning.